hello everyone. Hey, I just want to take out a moment and after working or monitoring a number of natural disasters like the hurricane that's getting ready to hit, I'd have to say my favorite app is probably Zello. Now, a lot of people don't like Zello. You can hear there's some chatter going on behind me, but a lot of the information that you can get comes from Zello because you've got people from all over. So you have an idea of what's going on when it's a disaster. Now, the neat thing that you can do with Zello is that once you create an account, it's not very hard to do. Um, you can log into channels all over the world, literally, and talk to people from different cultures and find out what's going on there. So if I had to pick one app to really be in the know, I'd have to pick Zello. And the reason being, again, it's because you can talk to people, doesn't matter what country, wherever around the world, and find out what's going on there. So not only is it a great app for finding out what's going on in the world, it's also a great app for staying tied in with your family, your friends, or whatever. So you can do things, for example, once you download Zello, a lot of your storm chasers use them. And so you can monitor some of their channels specifically in your area and see what's going on. So all you have to do is just do a search in Zello, much like you would do on a computer, and a lot of different things will pop up. So if you put in CERT, there could be 15, 20 things pop up, more, less, who knows. But anyways, you could pick the group that you look for. And by the way, if you want to do that, look up CERT WX, and you can join my channel, and as long as you don't create channel or a problem in the channel, you're welcome to participate, ask questions, and monitor. So, I invite you to do that. But I think that once you use Zello and you see all the benefits of it, it could be anything from, like I said, learning what's going on around the world, to local weather, to talking to your family instantly, rather than calling everybody. If everybody has Zello, all you have to do is key up and talk. It's not that hard to use. Many of you have seen Zello. This is what it looks like. You just hit that button in the center, generally speaking, and you're good to go on conversation. So if you create a group, like I've done, or a channel, called a channel, you can invite people, you can lock it down. So if I were to choose one app to have on my phone, it would probably be Zello. And the reason I say probably is, well, sometimes it'll be a little pain in the rear. But other than that, I'm telling you, it's a great app. If you don't have it, you should download it. It's great for communicating, great for knowing what's going on, and contacting people anywhere and everywhere you want to. So, again, when there's events like we're experiencing now, for example, Hurricane Laura, people will create channels. A lot of people will jump in, and you can listen to the people who are ready to go and help. Some of these people are trained, some of them aren't, but a lot of them are going to give you reports of what's going on in that area. So that's my choice on apps, and I just thought I would share it with you. Again, please like and subscribe. I'm going to bring you a lot of videos on different things. Like I said, when storm season rolls around here in Oklahoma, well, we'll probably get out and do a little bit of storm spotting, and hopefully get some good video and have some good interaction with people, maybe do some live stuff. So, again, thank you. Please like and subscribe. And remember, download Zello.